Alright, this is embedded time project. So basically what we decided to do is a melody that we can change the variance, like how fast it goes and how slow it goes based on certain type of keyboards. So there are a few challenges we had encountered, especially when the keyboard, when we have to have the input requested on time. So since we're already using 2012 for RB0 would start playing this song, and RB1 would pause the songs, and based on if you press RB2, it's going to say I'm requesting for some input right now. And the way it's set up is that our value, we default our tempo to be 777, favorite number, everybody favorite number. So if I don't put anything, so I press RB0, so now it's default to 77. When I press RB1, it should stop, and then there's no more music playing. And then if I press RB2, and then now it's saying that I'm ready to take some input. So you can see this by those port C here, 3 LEDs light up. So I can enter it. So I have to be careful because there's a check based on our flow diagram. So if the input is not within that range, it's just going to default it to the value. So if I get this value right, then it will update the LCD, and then the tempo should vary. So here I go. I can press 4, 5, 6, push. Well, I missed, so it's still the default value. So this is a little bit tricky because you have to get the value correct. So it's going to be, as soon as it's come out from the interrupt, now it says like I'm ready to put data. So let me try to get this right. So let's say 888. There we go. So now we get 888. So now this value is entered, so it's going to update the tempo. So it's going to be a little bit slower because that value is closer to 1000. So if I press play, it's a bit slower. And then I can stop and then request data. So once I'm waiting for this to light up so I can input it, because you have to come out from the interrupt, and there's a lot of things. Anytime now, RB2, come on. There we go. So now if I put 4, 5, 6, hopefully, yep, that's correct. So now press it, it goes faster, and that's pretty much it. And yeah, that was a little bit challenging with synchronization issues and how to scale down the different note to loud so they can play regularly and play faster based on no timing. So that's our time project.